I can guarantee there's about 17 better ways to do that than what we just did.
Oh, my boy.
We're finally fixing the track. Got the new one here. So she came in today, finally. So we'll use the little case unit to put that up on there. We got him jacking up the back right now, and then we'll lift the front with the blade.
All right. Your grease is gonna pop. Oh, that's right. Grease isn't gonna pop out yet.
Nope.
All right, so stop. I'll make him.
All right, let me see that. Good job, thank you.
All right, Dave. Okay,
It's going.
Yeah.
Further back the better. We got a tight
Oh
tree.
yeah. No, I know. I'm just saying.
All right.
We're good. I don't know how much further you got.
Oh, here. All right, go out, Dave.
All right. Okay.
Punch that guy.
Pretty far, I think.
I believe you're near the end.
I have no idea where the end is.
Keep going.
All right, I think that was it. It crunched.
Yeah, you're done.
You're done. All right, that's good. Yeah, your money.
Yeah, I can give that a shot.
And do the same over here.
Might need to jack that up a little more.
I don't know, I had quite a bit of self. Didn't realize you were going that way. Watch behind you.
Might have to let this thing sit out in the sun for a little while.
Well, what I'm thinking is we come in with the forks, stab down in and pick this up because it's tied together right here. And then he can stand it up and set it down like this. Then we cut that wire and it's gonna flop out. So if he comes in, picks up that, and then walks it out and just sets it right here, then when we cut it, it flops out where we want. That's the idea. So he's gonna have to get where you are to come in here to grab it.
Alright, now try and lift it. Alright, here. Get the forks, tilt them up more. And forward. Alright, down more. Yep, nope. Back. Alright, whoa. You gotta go tilt them forward. I wanna go into the forklift or into the pallet. Alright. Down. Down. There you go. There you go. No, forward. There you go. Hold on. Get the other side. Alright, come forward more. Alright, tilt it back. Set that right in the middle somewhere. When it folds out, you know. Hold on. I got it. It slides easy. Tilt your shit back.
I'm trying to get into the tip.
I know, but you need to just do what you're told, not what you think. idea. You tell me.
Right direction is whatever's left.
So the tags are legible on the outside, right?
Yep, that's the right direction.
Okay. I'm glad, because we need a little help here. We need to undo. No, it's tied. So here's the trick. When you undo that, it's going to want to take your arm off right there. Told you.
Sure you don't want an 8-foot pry bar to make life easier? Just behind the shop.
Nice and easy.
There you go.
All right, set her down. Shut it off.
I'm going to have to pull forward.
Why?
It's always good to make sure it's in the right spot.
We got to grease it up before you do that.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're
true.
fine.
Good point.
All your weight is close. They're sitting on your bottom and all the top. So.
I can guarantee there's about 17 better ways to do that than what we just did.
Oh, my boy. Use that grease gun.
Oh shit.
Can of grease. I don't know how much.
Fuck. Hey, that Bobcat was just filling up the shop with.
Yeah, that's why I said turn it off.
Oh yeah,
It's bad.
it's a no-go zone.
Yeah. Hey, Colin.
What's wrong?
Not going in at all. Yep.
The tip fucks.
So either this tip's fucked or that tip's fucked. One of the two, but it doesn't feel like it's even going on all the way. That's decent tight. Nope. That tip's fucked. Gonna have to be replaced.
Yeah, well. All right, I guess we're gonna replace that, and we'll figure that out from there. All right, so for everyone screaming at us, telling us we put the track on backwards,
We figured that out
we figured that out.
just a little later than they probably did.
Yeah, I remember that part of the video where I said, "Hey, is it pointing the right direction? Is it on the right way?" And we said, "Yeah." Yeah, that guy was wrong. So now that's on better, more better. So we got it flipped around. It really wasn't terrible flipping it around. Yeah. So we just flopped it off, picked it back up, put it back on there. So we're gonna go ahead and grease that thing up. He's changing the Zerk out now. The thing we said we were gonna do last time, turn the camera off. And then, yeah, we'll get this thing done and off the trailer. All right, so that's the Dozer, pretty much done. Let's give a shout out to the real MVP of this whole adventure. This trailer. This thing has been clutch. We're moving multiple pieces of equipment and just getting in everywhere, man. Seriously, since I came back from Louisiana, it's been 2 months now. This trailer has been hooked up to this truck. Well, it had the gooseneck on, the big gooseneck, the enclosed on this truck, and then went straight to this one, and it's been on it ever since. Hydraulic dove, doing its thing. Just killing the game out here. Love this trailer. And then boom. Boom. And done. So you know what? Charge the battery a little bit. Yeah, love this trailer. Awesome. So glad I bought this thing. But yeah, so that was a bit of a pain in the ass because we put it on backwards. But other than that, you know. So we got that done, and now the trio is back together again, dude. Old Blue's working, she's leaking. Yeah, damn it. I was looking for parts for this thing, but that's not the right arm. Okay, noted. This thing is not really leaking anymore. I need to pressure wash all the shit that was leaking off, but it's good to go. And then the Dozer here, as you can see, all greased up and new track. Stunting. What is it? New track. Who this? So you can see now it finally has two of the same. So that is a replacement from I don't know when, how many years ago. And then this is obviously the same sort of replacement. So yeah, she's looking good. I think that's the only things that really need to be addressed on this bad boy at the moment. But the more we play with it, the more we'll figure out what's wrong and the more I'll figure out what I gotta fix. But that'll do it for today. I appreciate you guys checking in and coming along with us, and hopefully you learned something, like, you know, the right and wrong way to put the right and wrong direction to put a track on a Dozer. But all right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.